So today we're going to do a little prep for our filet mignon. You could also do this with beef tenderloin, something a little special, even if it's 2 or 4. We always love a nice beef tenderloin. I'm going to score this, stick some garlic in there. And then, oh, I think I'll just get ready to do a proper rub down. And start, as I always do, with a little olive oil. And then some kosher salt. I have this very nice dry rub, which has a little paprika, a little cayenne, a little brown sugar. You know I need my spice in there. Throw in these shallots, rub those all in as well. Some thyme, and maybe just a little black pepper. I'll really work that into the meat. Oops, sorry. And then, of course, you just want to marinate this overnight. Wow, I should wait and put that thyme in last. And just press everything in. And now I'll put in the rest of my shallots, garlic. And then you just want to cover this and leave it overnight. Will make the next day very, very easy. There you go. Our nice filet mignon all prepped and ready to go.